Have you ever dreamed of financial freedom? Imagine a life where money is no longer a worry, where you have the time and resources to pursue your passions. This is the promise of Rich Dad's Cashflow Quadrant. This book provides a roadmap to financial independence, guiding you towards a life of abundance and choice. The Cashflow Quadrant is not about getting rich quick. It's about changing your mindset about money and building a life of sustainable wealth. It's about understanding the different ways people generate income and making conscious choices to move towards financial freedom. This essay will explore the core principles of the Cashflow Quadrant, providing practical insights and actionable steps to help you navigate your own journey to financial independence. Are you ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's begin. This is your compass. Follow this guide. The Cashflow Quadrant is a powerful tool that categorizes people based on how they earn their income. It's divided into 4 distinct quadrants: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. Each quadrant represents a different way of generating income, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these quadrants is crucial for achieving financial freedom. It's not just about how much money you make, but how you make it. By identifying your current quadrant and your desired quadrant, you can begin to strategize your path to financial independence. The Cashflow Quadrant is not about judging or labeling people. It's about providing a framework for understanding your financial situation and making informed decisions about your future. It's about empowering you to take control of your finances and create the life you desire. Remember, your quadrant is not fixed. You have the power to change your financial trajectory by understanding the dynamics of each quadrant and making choices that align with your goals. The employee quadrant is the most familiar to most people. It's characterized by trading time for money, working for a fixed salary or hourly wage. Employees value security and stability, seeking the comfort of a regular paycheck and benefits. While being an employee can provide a sense of security, it often comes at the cost of financial freedom. Employees are limited by their earning potential, trading their time and skills for a predetermined income. Their income is directly tied to the hours they work, limiting their ability to scale their earnings. The employee quadrant can be a stepping stone, providing valuable experience and financial stability. However, it's essential to recognize its limitations and actively seek ways to increase your financial literacy and explore other income-generating avenues. Remember, true financial freedom comes from leveraging your time and resources, not just trading them for a paycheck. The self-employed quadrant represents individuals who are their own bosses. They are driven by independence and the desire for control over their work. They are doctors, lawyers, consultants, freelancers, and small business owners who are passionate about their craft. Self-employment offers greater autonomy and potentially higher income than being an employee. However, it often comes with longer hours and the responsibility of managing all aspects of the business. Their income is still directly tied to their efforts, often falling into the trap of trading hours for dollars. While self-employment can be rewarding, it's crucial to recognize the potential pitfalls. It's easy to get caught in the cycle of working in your business instead of on your business, limiting your ability to scale and achieve true financial freedom. The key to success in the self-employed quadrant is to build a business that can operate without your constant involvement, freeing you to pursue other opportunities and create passive income streams. Section 5. Business Owner, Building Systems that Work for You. The Business Owner Quadrant is where true leverage and scalability reside. Business owners create systems and delegate tasks, building assets that generate income even without their direct involvement. They think big and focus on building businesses that can operate independently. Unlike the self-employed, business owners are not limited by their time. They leverage the skills and talents of others, creating systems and processes that generate income whether they are working or not. They focus on building assets that appreciate in value over time. Building a successful business requires vision, leadership, and a strong team. It's about creating a system that works even in your absence, allowing you to step away from the day-to-day operations and focus on strategic growth. Transitioning from self-employed to business owner often requires a shift in mindset. It's about letting go of control, trusting others, and focusing on building a sustainable business model that can thrive without your constant attention. Section 6. Investor putting your money to work. The investor quadrant represents individuals who have mastered the art of making money work for them. They understand the power of compounding and leverage other people's time and money to build wealth. They invest in assets that generate passive income, such as stocks, real estate, or businesses. Investors are not afraid to take calculated risks and understand that wealth is built over time through consistent investing and sound financial decisions. They focus on building a diversified portfolio of assets that generate passive income, allowing them to live off the returns without actively working for their money. Investing is not just for the wealthy. It's about developing financial literacy, understanding different asset classes, and making informed decisions about where to allocate your resources. It's about building a solid financial foundation for the future. Transitioning to the investor quadrant requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn. It's about shifting your mindset from consumer to investor, seeking opportunities to grow your wealth rather than spend it. Section 7. The power of shifting quadrants, real-life transformations. Countless individuals have transformed their lives by understanding the cash flow quadrant and actively working towards shifting quadrants. Take, for example, the story of a school teacher who, tired of the limitations of her salary, started a side business selling handmade jewelry online. She diligently grew her business, eventually leaving her teaching job to focus on her passion full-time. She then scaled her business by hiring employees and implementing systems, transitioning from self-employed to business owner. She reinvested her profits into real estate, creating a portfolio of rental properties that generated passive income. This example highlights the transformative power of the cash flow quadrant. By understanding the dynamics of each quadrant and taking strategic steps, individuals can move from trading time for money to building businesses and investing in assets that generate passive income. These stories are not meant to be aspirational tales, but rather tangible proof that financial freedom is attainable through understanding and applying the principles of the cash flow quadrant. Section 8. Breaking free practical steps to move towards financial freedom. Transitioning between quadrants requires a proactive approach and a commitment to personal and financial growth. Here are some practical steps to guide you on your journey. 1. Identify your quadrant. Determine your current primary source of income and understand its advantages and limitations. 2. Define your financial goals. Set clear and specific financial goals. What does financial freedom look like for you? 3. Develop financial literacy. Educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and business. 4. Build multiple streams of income. Explore and create additional income streams to reduce reliance on a single source. 5. Seek mentorship and guidance. Connect with successful individuals in your desired quadrant and learn from their experiences. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt and learn along the way. Section 9. Overcoming obstacles. Mindset shifts for success. Shifting quadrants is not just about acquiring new skills or knowledge. It often requires fundamental shifts in mindset. Here are some common mental barriers and how to overcome them. 1. Fear of failure. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Don't let the fear of the unknown paralyze you from taking action. 2. Limiting beliefs. Challenge and reframe limiting beliefs about money and wealth. Your thoughts shape your reality. 3. Lack of self-discipline. Cultivate discipline in your finances and actions. Small, consistent steps lead to significant results over time. 4. Procrastination. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Take action today, no matter how small. Remember, your mindset is a powerful tool. By cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset, you can overcome obstacles and achieve your financial goals. Section 10. The rewards of financial freedom. Living life on your terms. Achieving financial freedom is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about the freedom and opportunities it provides. It's about 1. Time freedom. Having the flexibility to spend your time doing what you love with the people you care about. 2. Financial security. Eliminating financial stress and worry, knowing you have the resources to handle life's uncertainties. 3. Choice and flexibility. Having the freedom to choose how you want to live your life without being limited by financial constraints. 4. Impact and legacy. Using your financial resources to make a difference in the world and leave a lasting legacy. Financial freedom is not a destination but a journey of continuous learning, growth, and contribution. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the journey to financial independence. The Cashflow Quadrant is a powerful tool for understanding the different paths to financial freedom. It's not about which quadrant is better, but rather about identifying your goals and choosing the path that aligns with your values and aspirations. Remember, financial freedom is attainable for anyone willing to embrace the journey. It's about taking control of your finances, developing financial literacy, and making conscious choices that move you towards your goals. Start today. Take that first step. Embrace the journey to financial independence and unlock the life you deserve.